Hello everybody, thanks for stopping by my shop for another Screwy Tuesday. I really appreciate taking your time, that you're taking your time to come visit. And this is being recorded on Sunday evening, almost 7 o'clock in the evening. I got home from the Bar Z Summer Bash about 2 hours ago. As you saw in the start of this, there's a commemorative coin that he had done, and of course on the back it says, "When the tough gets going, the tough go to the bar." I'm down with that. This I'm going to be carrying when I'm golfing, and that's what's going to be marking my putts from now on. So, as I mentioned, just got back from the bash. I got there Friday afternoon, and we left this morning around 8 o'clock. And I got to tell you, unfortunately, if you didn't attend, you missed one heck of a turnout and one heck of a show. So in the sense of YouTube creators that were there, I'm going to try to run down a list. It was Stan Zinkowski, Tom Lipton, Randy Richard, Ray Cornelia, Keith Fenner, Keith Rucker, Adam Booth, Don Cossett, Brad Jacobs, Pierre, I can't remember Pierre's name, Bruce Whittam. Who the heck was that? I went through it 10 times. James Kilroy, James Green, Dale Derry, John Saunders, Mike Wiggins, Gary Kuda, Tom Zeligman, and there's more that is passing my brain. And Ryan I.L. Gopher. That's right. I just wrote Ryan. I can't. It's passing my brain. A lot of these guys I've met before, and I did get to meet Keith Fenner this time. He showed up there at the bash, and the turnout was fantastic. The fun was unbelievable. The social activity of everybody through there was fantastic. Now, I'm an old guy, right? So I'm not into selfies. I'm not into taking tons of video or something. So I didn't video anything. I didn't take any selfies with anybody. If you check all those names that I just wrote, that I told you about their channels, there's going to be tons of video of the bash. They actually had an 8-hour streaming of the whole bash, and it's up on Bar Z's Shadden HKW's channel, which is Stan Zinkowski. But there was competitions. There was the four-jaw competition for people that came. There was a layout competition. There was a outside-inside dimension competition. There was Keith Fenner giving a lecture and an instruction on straightening shafts. There was I forgot to mention him. Do Right. Do Right. Come on. Jim Bollinger came from Florida. Jim Bollinger did like a lesson seminar. He's representing Lincoln Welding, and he had a great. He had like slideshows printed out on paper, and there was probably 50, 60 guys sitting there listening to his discussion, question and answers. I want to tell you, I've read a lot of books, I've watched a lot of videos, and Jim's discussion and instructions were just top notch. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing in welding, and he answered questions for me. I learned a bunch at it. That was fantastic. A lot of stickers. Were there for guys. This is Brad at Basement Shop Guy, his new machine shop corporation and his new company. He had stickers. Gary Kuda was handing out his stickers. There was a whole drawer full of stickers. I had most of the guys' stickers, so I didn't really grab much. While we're talking about stickers, unfortunately he couldn't make it this year, but Harold Waters was there last year. And when I got home from the bash, there was an envelope, and there's his new sticker, which is cool. And thank you, Harold. I wish I could have seen you this year at the bash. And in talking about seeing people at the bash, I just want to say thank you. I want to thank you to all the creators that are all friends, and thank you to all the people that showed up at the bash. I really enjoyed people coming up to me and appreciating my videos, and it means a lot. I mean, you know, it's a little bit of work to produce these, and I'm doing them for people, and I'm not doing it for myself. And I don't make much money on this, so my monetization is nothing that's banking me out of here. And but it was really fun to see people and enjoy people. I did win a raffle prize, which I didn't win one last year, and this was from the sticker's not on here. I feel bad. I can't remember the actual name of the company, but I won a set of flap discs and grinding discs. The prizes that were given out in the raffle were just flat out amazing, and the donations from all the people that came out and bought the tickets for it were fantastic. Stanridge did a couple of tours, and I happened to be walking out to my car, and a couple of past friends that have been to the bash last year saw me out back and said, "Hey, we were at the tour, and here." Handed me a thing of the standard glass cleaner. That was, I thank you very much. One of my buddies, he's not a YouTube creator, but he does attend the functions. He's been there last year and this year. His name just skipped my brain. I hate being old. Anyway, it'll come to me in a second. Andrew Padaka, there it is. Andrew Padaka. He was selling in the swap meet there, and he manufactures this product called the Rook, and what it is, it's an indicator holder, and it's got a magnetic base in it, and I don't know if it'll show up here or not, but it's got a heavy magnet, and it's got different size holes where you can tighten down the indicator. I'll tell you, the magnet's powerful. Put it in my back pocket, and it erased my whole hotel key. But Andrew gave me one of these. He's selling these. And if anybody's interested, you can always contact me, and I will give you his information. I think he's going to be having these on eBay. He does sell other things on eBay. His handle on eBay is Tool Miser. Tool Miser. Thank you very much, Andrew. As I mentioned also, and I'm going to ramble on here, guys, but as you know, Bruce Whitten from Australia is in the country, and he's been doing a little tour around, and he stopped here at my shop, and as you know, I've got the tattoos not tattoos, I got the flags all over my shop from him, and I got what's left of a tattoo on my arm from him at the bash. Very nice. He gave me this engineer's black book. Awesome. It has it's just a quick reference to so much information. Look it up on the web. I don't know if you guys will be able to pick up this page. I'm going to hold it up there. There is information there where you can purchase it. And Bruce, I want to thank you very much for giving this to me. Very, very awesome. I really appreciate that. There was another commemorative coin, Rancho Cucamonga, and San Bernardino County Sheriff. This was from K&K Woodworking down in Oakland Hills. That was pretty cool. They were handing those out, and I grabbed one of those. What else do I got here? And there was a little ruler from Thinbit. And so just to finish up, the competitions that were held there were great. There's super prizes for the guys that won them. The demonstrations by Keith Fenner and by Do-Right on the welding, and what other demonstrations were there? I'm sorry, I'm drawing a blank. Awesome. Dennis Nolan from Seco and Niagara Tools was there answering questions. There was American Rotary was there. Okay, I think my camera just shut off, so I don't know where it shut off as I was ratting around, chalking here. So I'm just going to drop back and say that my buddy Flea Market Dave went to the bash with me, and just enjoyed his company the whole weekend. We're good friends, had lots of chat, and when we got back to his house to drop him off, we were going and looking at his different tooling and things, and he pulled out his Holdridge ball turner, and he happens to have the deluxe set, and it has the tooling for doing concave inside radiuses, and there's 3 different tools. So I actually borrowed them from him, and I'm going to copy these for mine. Pretty simple turning. The ends are all the same, other than the ends are the same. The only thing that changes is the shaft and the tool holding. So be able to build these. I'll probably do a drawing on it for myself, so I might be able to share it with people. And then the other thing is why we're there. He has just an awesome 10EE Monarch. It's a great machine, and he had some questions on it. I've had a little more experience than him, and as I stood there in his lathe, I looked down at the front of his cross slide, and I went, "Oh my God, you got the holder for a dial indicator." And I was just trying to actually build something for mine. So here's a couple of photos of that unit off of his machine. So I took those photos and I said, "Hey, grab me a piece of paper. I want to make a copy of it." And he says, "Well, you can just, when you get done with the ball turner devices, just take this off my machine and copy it." And I says, "No, I don't think I need to." Between the photographs, and then I made a little gasket copy, just taking a piece of paper and making the outline of it. And you can see where the indicator lug on the back of the indicator drops down in, and a couple set screws. And then here's the dovetail over here. So I think it's a pretty simple build, and I'm excited to get that done also. So that'll be coming up in a video. The holders will be coming up in a video. And where else? Anything else? I think that's it I wanted to share. Like I said, Sunday night, and I'm just clearing my soul. Had a great weekend, and it'll be interesting to see what happens next year at the bash. For right now, I'm going to sign off. May add some more on this video, but again, all the people that watch my channel, thank you very much. And all the buddies, the contributors that I got to meet and chat with and talk, and my friendship with you guys, it's greatly appreciated, and we'll stay in contact, definitely. All right, see you guys later.